Alright, time to start Retro Bowl. I'm going to do an Atlanta Falcons rebuild. I already did the sign up and everything. I'm resting all my players. I'm going to purposely lose the game so that we can get a better draft pick or better players. It's going to be fun. I'm also going to be playing on, once I get my real team, I'm going to be playing on Extreme. So it will make it more fun, I guess. It's going to take a while, so I'm just going to play the game for a bit. Ooh, that was actually a catch? Wow. I don't expect my players to be good, but I don't expect them to actually catch anything, so that's pretty nice. We are down 3, but like I said, I'm trying to lose purposely. But, who cares? We're almost close to a touchdown, but I want to score one. So I'm just going to keep running it because my running back is trash. So that means he's really slow. So that means we're not going to get a touchdown. We almost got a touchdown there. Wow. Are you kidding me? Oh my god. Whatever. I'll just do that, yeah. Now it's a field goal game. They score a field goal. Time to throw an interception. Or not. Pretty sure they can get a field goal in this amount of time, so that will be nice. Yep, we're down. Let's see if we can make it. Oh my god. That was nowhere near close. Who cares? Oh my god. Our wide receiver is wide open. But it doesn't matter. Wow. He didn't run his route. It's tough. So in episode 1, I'm just gonna, do the draft, play like 2 games, and then it's the end of the episode. And episode 2 will be uploaded soon. I don't know when, but soon. I just want to say thank you to Skull Gaming. He inspired me to make this because of his Miami Dolphins rebuild. I really liked it. So this is a very boring time period in this video. You can skip this, I don't care. This is really boring. I'm just gonna keep doing this. It doesn't waste time, but it's not gonna be our ball anymore. Also, I have a method to get better draft picks, so that's nice. If you guys want to learn the method, then yes, I can show you guys when the draft starts or before it starts. I got really lucky and got the requirements for one of the things first try, so that's nice. I wasn't planning on doing it for this, but since I already got the requirements, like, why not? You know what I mean? So that was a catch? I thought it was going to be an interception. Whatever, who cares? Virtual Bowl is actually, like, really fun. I play this a lot. As you could... did you see? I don't know. I'll have to check later. But I have, like, 2 other seasons. One of them is one that I started a couple weeks ago, and one of them I started, like, 2-3 weeks ago. and I've been playing that one for a long time. Yeah. Finally, this game's over. Criticize team, obviously, because I need that 4 coaching credits. So look, this is basically what you have to do. You have to have 3 2-star players, and then it doesn't matter if you have another one. You just need at least 3 2-star players, and then you need to lose the game or win the game. It doesn't really matter, but either way, you're gonna get 4 coaching credits, and you have to go to free agents. You have to buy a 1-star player for 4 coaching credits. So then, the 2-star guys can be traded for a 2nd-round draft pick. So then you'll get 4 2nd-round draft picks, and then the 1-star or lower, or the 1.5 stars, they can be traded for a 3rd round draft pick. So then, as you can see here, you just have to trade everyone. It's a really good method. I like it a lot because you get a good team off the bat. As you can see here, now I have 1 pick in the 1st round, 4 in the 2nd round, and then 4 in the 3rd round. So it's a really good method. I like it a lot. So there's no good quarterbacks. That sucks. This running back looks good. How good is this running back? Oh, wow. His catching is terrible, though. Okay, I'll get him. Crap. They took the good QB. Yeah, I'm definitely taking this guy. Then I still have another pick in this. Wait. I'll get him. And this guy. Oh my god, that is terrible. That is okay. That is, I don't know. Dude, these guys suck. He can be a 4-star, 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 3.5 star. Okay, so which one is better out of these two? This one has more stamina, so I'll get him. And then I'll get a linebacker. Yeah, he's definitely better. And then these are my last draft picks. Better also looking like. Okay, so I need more defensive players. Oh, sick. That's not terrible. Oh my god, that's a steal. Oh yeah. So I got 2 more draft picks. Oh, that's nice. Well, actually, it's not nice. It's actually really bad, but I'll take it. Oh my god, that is amazing. So yeah, that's my team. I'll play a couple games. That's it. You know, guys, I lied. I'm not going to be playing on Extreme. Screw that. I'll play on... I'll play on Hard. Yeah, I know how to play the game. Oh, look at that breakaway. I wish I got a tight end, though. Tight ends are kind of good. I feel like the offensive linemen, they're like good, but also not good at the same time. Like, I don't know how to explain it. Yeah, I don't really know how to explain it. Defense is, jeez, man, defense is so bad. Whenever I play, they just always, like, sell me. They're just, like, really bad. I don't know why. Like, it's always, like, I have a 4-star defense in that season, so, like, I don't know why they're so bad. Oh, my God, look at that. Oh, crap, there's fast guys going after me. Dang it. That would have been so good, but there's fast dudes. 64 yards. Jesus. And that's a touchdown. We're going to go for 2. Because if we don't, we'll be down by 1. And that's not fun. Oh my god, I'm so dumb. We're down by 3. They went for 2. Are you kidding me? That's dumb. Whatever. We're fine. All we have to do is score a field goal. Plus with this guy's with his limitless range, we're fine. We're past the 50. I'm pretty sure that's field goal range. So. Oh! I think we have time for one more play. Screw it. Are you... Oh, no. Oh, it's such a wasted opportunity. I could have just tied up the game. Ah, that was a dumb decision by me. Shouldn't have done that. Oh, that was a dumb play. I gotta look at the routes. I never look at the routes. Dang. These guys are not good. So the no name. Oh, that is so dumb. Wait, I can go for a field goal? Please make it. That is going nowhere near. Are you kidding me? They didn't score. Defense stopped. What a pass. But this guy's no... Our quarterback has no throwing range. Dang it. It's tough. Let's go. What a throw. Okay, maybe I lied. He does have some range. Good plays on the 20. Inside the 10. Let's go. We're about to score a tutty. Comeback route. I don't know what that route's called. I just call it a comeback route. If that's right, then I'm like the smartest. But if that's wrong, I'm not the dumbest. But you know, whatever. Okay, we are gonna go for 2. No way. Well, at least we're up a field goal. So, oh, they gotta stop. Let's go. Let's go. I'm gonna try to score a touchdown. I don't really care about running off the clock because we are only up by a field goal. So that wouldn't be too smart because they could just get a touchdown and then win the game. So, if we make this, if we get a touchdown, we're going to be at least up by 9. So, that'll be nice. Ooh, on the route. Let's go. We're so close. Dang it. Let's go. There's a tutty. I'm just going to go for field goal. Or PAT. That's game. Let's go. 1 coaching credit. How are you disappointed? It's really dumb. I don't want to lose my coaching credit though. So, what's my staff looking like? Oh God. Alright, one more game and then that's the end of the episode. Training ground prank by rookie Dustin Pinheiro backfired, causing a fight to break out amongst... I'm definitely fining for that. Why wouldn't you fine for that? I'm trading you. I'm just kidding. Tell you what though, if you have like bad players, just trade them for better draft picks, because then the draft picks will become better rookies. So if there's like a player that's like doing really bad, like worse than I thought, I can just trade them for a draft pick. Like the Pinheiro guy. if he turns out to be like really bad, I can trade him for a second round pick. I only really got him for his, pretty sure it was speed. That was the best. Because like, I like speedy guys. Or, whoa, pause. But I like speedy receivers. Because, they're fast. Gooden with the PAT. Damn it. I scored. Excuse my language. Pinero. Is it Pinero? Pinero? I'm gonna call him Pinero. I like with the throw to Pinero. Oh, LeBlanc. I said Halleck. No. It's tough. Whatever, it's fine. Also, should I skip the defensive things? Alright, screw it. I'm not gonna skip them. Or at least I'm gonna try my best, because I don't know. I just like skipping them, because it's faster to score and stuff. I shouldn't have called that touchdown. I mean, that timeout. Alright, let's just try to get a field goal. Okay, since I don't have another timeout, and the game really wastes a lot of time, I'm just gonna go for a field goal. Crap, we're down by 10 right now. I can't lose a game on the first episode, right? I'm gonna try to score before the fourth. Oh, that is... I underthrew that. Yeah, that's game. That's game. We're down by 18. Oh, that is so tough. Oh, I'm so bad. I underthrow a lot. Like that. Oh my god. First game and we're already... First episode and we already lost the game. It's fine. It's fine. We're fine. We'll come back. We'll come back. I don't know how, but we will. Gosh, man. Well, at least that wasn't an interception. Oh, wow. He caught that? Come on, we got this. We won't even be able to score a touchdown. Maybe. I doubt it. Oh, that is so tough, man. Couldn't even get the timeout on time. Oh, that is tough. Too many interceptions. Criticizing the team because I don't want the coach to be any worse. Well, at least this guy is leveling up. Getting the stamina. Well, that's the end of the first episode. We played really, really bad the second game. Wow. 1-1. We're the lowest in the division. Oh, that is so tough. Well, that's the end of the episode. I'll see you guys